What's your name?
Kathy Grieve.
When did you start using THOLI?
I started using THOLI, I would say 3 months ago.
And what product did you use?
I used the Pure Essential Oil in the diffuser.
What symptoms were you having?
I had COVID in December, and I completely lost my sense of smell and taste. It was like nose blind. I couldn't smell anything at all. And then when that sense of smell came back, it was skewed. I had bought some sour cream, and I opened the lid, and it smelled horrible. It smelled chemicals, plastic, lotion. I said to my husband, I said, smell this, there's something wrong with it. And he said, oh, it smells good to me. So I went and bought another one, a different brand, same thing. And then I noticed different fragrances like cheese and bread. Other ones that just were out of the blue, like he would make coffee in the morning, and it smelled like permanent solution, the old permanent. And also my perfume, which I loved, it smelled pungent and awful. That went on for probably, I would say, a good couple of years. And it came back a little bit. I noticed the cheese a little more bearable. And then I noticed I could eat cream cheese, but not. The sour cream was the biggie. It smelled horrible. And so at that point, I gave up even believing that. I thought, this is a couple of years out. This is all I'm going to get. This is what you're going to have to live with the rest of your life. And I thought, that's fine. It's better than it was, but it was still not good. I started diffusing for just health, and I love the fragrance. I love the way it was at nighttime in the diffuser. It was very comforting and relaxing to sleep too. So I started diffusing, I would say, every night, probably for a couple months. But it was my perfume. I kept wearing it because I knew it smelled good from before. So Jim got me some, and I was like wearing it. I noticed it started to smell good again. And then the cheeses. When I was cooking, I would use the cheeses for him and on certain foods, and I'm like, they don't smell bad anymore. It was like it accelerated all those things that had been stuck. All of a sudden, they were back to normal. And my final thing was the sour cream, which was the biggie. It was horrible before, and it is back to normal. So I knew when the sour cream came in complete.
How surprised were you when it worked? What were you expecting?
She's gonna make me cry. I was so shocked, and it was totally off my radar to have something that was dead and something that I had written off. This is it. And to have something as precious as one of your senses, to have that come back to life. To me, it's like miraculous. So I'm very grateful to the Lord. And I'm grateful to you and to THOLI. I thank THOLI because I really believe that was my healing. And where I was absolutely stuck before, now everything is back to normal. I can enjoy all the foods and all the fragrances. So that's my story.